a woman who is looking for 1 crore of funding from government, then this video is for you. India's women entrepreneurs are changing the game. From running successful startups to managing entire business single-handedly, they are breaking barriers every single day. But there is still one big problem: funding. Did you know only 20% of women-led companies in India get venture capital funding? And that's exactly why the government of India has stepped in with something special: the St. Kalyani scheme, a scheme designed exclusively to empower women entrepreneurs like you, helping them to start, grow and scale their business with easy loans and zero collateral. So let's start. In this video, I will explain everything, every process in a very simple language, like what is the scheme, who can apply, how to apply, and what benefits you'll actually get. So stay tuned till the end, because this could change your life and boost your business dreams. Hello friends, my name is Mansi and you have started watching Bosswala English. So first, what exactly is St. Kalyani scheme? It's a flagship initiative launched by the Central Bank of India under the Startup India umbrella. The main goal is to financially support women entrepreneurs who either want to start their new business or who want to grow their existing one. Basically, it gives women a loan plus guidance plus zero collateral facility, all in one package. From boutique owners to engineers, from doctors to designers, this scheme is open for all kinds of women professionals and business owners. Let's quickly understand the main objective behind this scheme. First one is to provide financial support to women entrepreneurs. Then comes to encourage more women to step into entrepreneurship. And the third one is to promote women-led MSMEs in India. In short, this scheme is not just about loans, it's about confidence, independence and growth. Now, one more important question: who can apply in this scheme? So the eligibility is like that this scheme is open for new and existing women entrepreneurs. Your business should fall under micro or small enterprise as per the MSME Act 2006. It covers multiple sectors like manufacturing, services, professional businesses like healthcare, finance, tech, etc. Even professionals like doctors, CAs, engineers, artists, designers, and self-employed women can apply. Plus, small businesses like salons, tailoring, daycare centers, boutiques, or mobile shops, or even food vans, all are eligible. But remember, retail trade, educational institutes, and self-help groups are not covered under this scheme. Okay friends, before moving forward, I want to tell you about one more investment which is most important for you and your family's financial future. And in this, Policy Bazaar is helping you with their term insurance and health insurance. Their term insurance premium starts with just 699 per month, where you can get a coverage of up to 2 crores, and they are also giving 15% discount. Their health insurance starts with 400 to 500 rupees per month premium, and they are giving a coverage of up to 1 crore. They are also giving 30-minute claim support, and more than 50 insurers are listed on their platform, where you can just check and select which one is best for you. The link is in the description. Do check that out. Let's move on to the video. Now let's talk about the main part, how to apply, and the process is very simple. I'll tell you step by step. First, you need to visit the Central Bank of India's official website. Go to the application form section and download the St. Kalyani scheme application form. Then you need to fill the form carefully with your details like business information, purpose of the loan, financial details and etc. Always remember to gather your supporting documents. We'll talk about that also. Then you need to take that filled form and documents to your nearest Central Bank of India branch. Submit that form to the bank officer and provide any additional information if they ask. The bank will verify your details and check your eligibility. Once everything is approved, your loan will be sanctioned. And do you know what is the best part? There is no processing fee and no third-party guarantees required. Now comes the part for documentation. First, you need the application form. Then you need identity proof like Aadhaar card, PAN card or any valid ID. Your address proof is also required like electricity bill or rent agreement. Your business proof should be there like registration certifications and GST details. Income proof is also required like ITR and balance sheet. You need to fill the nominee details also with their full name, address, relation, date of birth, etc. A signature or a thumb impression is required for verification. And if you ever want to modify or cancel your nomination later, you'll need to use the form DA2 and DA3. Simple, right? Just make sure that everything is updated and genuine. Now let's talk about the most exciting part, the benefits. Since the loan type is the term loan plus the working capital, it is a hybrid term loan and cash credit. Loan amount will be up to 1 crore rupees. Margin is only 20%, and the interest rates are like for loans up to 10 lakh, the interest rate will be MCLR plus 0.25%. For loans from 10 lakhs to 1 crore, it will be MCLR plus 0.5%. Additional 0.25% concession if will be given to you if your business is rated by any external agency. Tenure premium goes like 0.20% for 1 to 3 years and 0.40% for 3 to 7 years. There will be no collateral required because the loan is covered under CGTMSE scheme. There will be no processing fee, and the insurance will be like comprehensive insurance of stock, machinery and equipment with bank loss. So basically it's a low cost collateral free loan specially made for women entrepreneurs. So friends, this was all the details regarding the St. Kalyani scheme. If you have any confusion related to this scheme, do let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video and share this video with all your women friends who want to build their own business or even want to grow them. And I am Ansi. We'll see you in the next video.
Boss Wala. Be the boss.